This time I will do unboxing of my package. I ordered it last week. I received it yesterday and I will do unboxing today. Let's go. Alright, this is the package sealed. So let's open it. Alright, so here we go. I ordered 3 solar lights. This is solar light, private street lamp without electricity, and this is 25 watts solar light. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's check each box. First box. So we got battery for the remote control. This is the remote control, too small. Next is take this, the whole thing, right? So no more. Okay. Probably call it bolts for the wall or for installing. And this is the spotlight. Whoa, 25 watts. What? It says 45 watts. Really?
Oh no!
It's written here 45 watts. I think it's mistakenly written as 45 watts. I think this is just 25 watts. Yeah. So light, bracket for the light, and this is the solar panel. I'm sure this is 25 watts because unlike, well, I think it's damaged. There's some, but I will try this. Oh, there's a crack there. What the heck? There's a damage, guys. Oh man, this one is damaged. So, but I'll try if it will charge. Okay, let's check it out. So I install the battery. Let's see if this will work. Okay, let's on it. Push it. Ah, yeah, it's working. Off. Okay. On and off. Not too bright. I think it's good for. Whew, I think it's kind of useless. Just, yeah, not so bright. It's just for small space. Just, I think it's just for your office table. It's not worth it, guys. For 299 baht, it's not really good. And I am disappointed. But yeah, what can you get from 25 watts light? See, not really good. Okay. So let's put it back in. box. Should be like this. I hope the solar panel will work normally, because there's kind of crack in the solar cells. Okay, let's check the right one. Okay, the same. You have the bolts, remote control, bracket. Where's the battery? There's no battery in this box. Okay, let's see. Yeah, no battery. Come on. Why there's no battery? Let's check. Empty. No battery. What the heck? I'll try the remote control here. Oh yeah, it's working. Yeah, the same remote can be one remote for everything, for all of your lights. Okay, let's turn it off, turn it on. Let's try that one off. Okay, it's working. And let's check the panel. Looks good. Solar cells are intact. I'm not sure if this will charge or work. So, second box, no battery. Oh man. Okay, yes, I'll take a photo. The box. Alright. Here. Yes, let's open the third box. Go with the remote control bracket. Oh, this one has a battery included. Yeah, here the battery is triple A, two triple A's. All right, just try this. This remote control from the first box. Let's try it out. Oh. The two lights together, they lead together with one remote control. You see? On. Whoa. Off. That's fine. So if you will install this in around your house, you just need one remote control to control the lights on and off. Wow. I don't know if. Let's try. Oh yeah, it's 3 down. Here. Can you see it? It's on. Okay, turn it off. Turn off. Turn off. Ha! Nice. I enjoyed that part. So what do you expect from this kind of product? Okay, that's it guys. So we got 3 25 watts solar street lights. So I'm gonna bring this to can install this around the house. Let's see if this will work. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.